chicken Majestic. For that I have taken boneless chicken half kg. So I have taken like this strips, half kg of chicken. Add salt, pepper, ginger garlic, egg, corn flour. So there is no need of water. Now marinate this for 30 minutes. Now the oil is super hot. After 30 minutes we are deep frying the chicken. Drop one by one. Fry for 7 minutes. Oil. Finely chopped garlic and green chilies. So now the garlic and green chilies are fried. Now let's add some dry spices, salt and red chili powder, turmeric and dhania powder. Let's mix it. Now add a little bit soya sauce, vinegar, and add curd. Let it come for a boil. So now you can see that the oil is separating. So at this stage we'll add the fried chicken, and this is finely chopped curry leaf, mint leaf and coriander leaf.